Hey, I'm your aesthetic physician from Maxa Clinic, and I would like to answer few frequently asked questions like what do I eat, how often do I wash my hair, why does my hair keep falling, like the general factors for hair loss and all that. So, firstly, what do I eat? I personally feel that a balanced diet with carbs and proteins and fats, minerals, everything together is really good for your general health, including your hair. Like I've seen people who tend to have high protein diet, they start secreting a lot of oil, facial oil like sebum and all that, and in turn leading to acne and even hair loss happens in certain conditions. And you, when you cut off carbs, you tend to cut off a lot of important vitamins and minerals and stuffs like that. So it's always good to have an equal portion of proteins and carbs in your diet. And secondly, how often do I wash my hair? I feel it is not necessary to wash your hair every single day because everybody tends to secrete a certain amount of sebum in your scalp, which is very good for your hair. So it nourishes your hair, it prevents your scalp from drying. So it is best to wash once in 2 to 3 days. But people who are suffering from dandruff, it is different. It is better you check your scalp with a dermatologist, and if you will be using. But people who are suffering from dandruff, it is different. It is better you check your scalp with a dermatologist, and if you will be using anti-dandruff shampoos and different stuff. But in general, it is really good. Like when you don't have such conditions, it is good to wash your hair once in 2 to 3 days because it is always good to leave little bit of the natural oils in your scalp, and it prevents your hair from getting brittle and breaking off and stuff like that. And it's always good to when you're going to wash your hair with shampoo or something, it is always good to condition it with coconut oil because coconut oil is a really good hair conditioner. It's natural, you get it very easily. So when you do this, it gives you the natural glow. It prevents brittleness, it prevents breakage, split ends a lot, and all that stuff. It helps. And yeah, so try to wash your scalp maybe thrice or 4 times a week. So because a clean scalp is always good. And lastly, why does my hair keep falling? There is a lot of reasons why hair falls. Like it can be age, it can be stress, it can be smoking, it can be change in diet or lifestyle like suddenly gym and all that. It can be pollution, it can be radiation, it can be dandruff or anything. So it's always good to get your scalp checked properly by a dermatologist, see what problems you are facing and do the treatments accordingly. You can always come to us. We are at Maxa Clinic. We're situated in Nungambakam, Chennai. When you come to us, we will give you a complete scalp checkup, and we have a lot of procedures like mesotherapy, laser therapy, PRPs, even hair transplant.